Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can view a routing and account number on Chase. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply open up your Chase Bank app on your phone. Once you have done that, simply go ahead sign in as well. Upon doing that, in home section you're going to find this kind of interface. From over here, simply choose an account of which you would like to check. Once you have chosen the account, this is how it's gonna appear. You can see account, the balance on top, account details, and including this option of show details. Go ahead, tap on the show details, including the little arrow icon. Once you have tapped on it, you will find this kind of information popping up, that is more, which includes your account number and routing number. Now go ahead, check it out, and you can simply also choose to copy it and note it down somewhere to remember it further as well. Otherwise, this is how you can do it. If you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.